How to buy tickets on AXS or Axs app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to buy tickets on Axs or AXS app. So for that case, you have to first of all make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your AXS account. When you're logged into your account, this is basically how the interface is going to look like. After that, you could go ahead and start looking for the event on the Axs. For now, I'm just gonna go with the following one, and when you do that, you can just go ahead and select the venue, location, date, time, whatever. And if you're sure about it, then click on the button that says buy now. As you click on the buy now button, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you need to go ahead and confirm your booking or your purchase and all that by entering your card details manually, or providing a payment method, some sort of identity verification and all that. Once done, you'll be able to buy ticket on the AXS app, and likewise you'll also be receiving a ticket through an email or an SMS with a barcode stating that the following ticket that you've purchased has been booked. So that's basically how you can buy ticket on Axs or AXS app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.